Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to New Orleans, Louisiana, and Louis Armstrong International Airport. Local time is 11:46 p.m. We will be taxiing for a few moments. We ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and all carry-on items stowed until we're safely parked at the gate and the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. That will be your indication that it is safe to get up and move about the cabin. Before doing so, please double-check around your area and make sure you have all of your personal belongings. When opening the overhead compartments, please use caution as the contents shift during flight. You may now use your cell phones. All other electronic devices need to remain off until you're inside the terminal. Finally, on behalf of United, United Express, our Star Alliance partners, your Los Angeles-based cockpit crew, and your Chicago-based in-flight crew, we would like to thank you for selecting United for your travel today. We apologize for the delay. Hope that if future plans call for air travel, you'll visit us again here at United. Thanks again for your business and Happy New Year.
Ha ha ha!